we're really looking at 3 ways to have an impact on young people's lives. The first is today's program, where we give them a glimpse of what it's like to be a doctor. The second part is actually a shadowing program, where we will link the student with a physician, and they'll go through a day in the life of that physician and be exposed to certain specialties. So they'll get a glimpse of what it's like to work in that particular field.
It's really exciting to get kids involved and excited about a career in medicine. I really love what I do, and I'd love to impart that passion to younger kids. When I was in high school, I had a similar experience, and I was able to experience or shadow some doctors when I was younger, and that helped me decide what I wanted to do later in life.
I have an interest in medicine, and I mean, there are so many different types of doctors and specialties around that it's a good opportunity for me to experience different kinds of specialties.
We're going to do this procedure to remove the skin cancer. It's called Mohs surgery. It's important to keep an eye on the future and get the right people interested for the right reasons, and we're excited for their interest. Students that are really interested and want to get a more direct experience or more personal attention from some of the physicians can get a one-on-one shadowing experience to see what we do, whether it be in the clinic, in the operating room, or various components of medicine, and try and interest them to see if this is really their calling. I think that will create a relationship where the student will come back, or we can keep in touch and we can be a mentor for them in the future and help them along in the process. So I take this instrument, it's called Extra-Red, and basically the skin cancer cells don't come together quite as well as normal cells.
The tissue that he just took, it needs to be processed. So the way we process it is we freeze it in what's called a cryostat. It's easier if you, put your hand this way. Perfect.
Today when I saw the surgeries, I expected a little bit of it, but it was definitely very interesting, and it wasn't what I fully thought it was going to be, where he did incisions on some of the patients, then was able to scan them in the lab in less than a couple minutes. If I was telling friends that they should try the shadowing program, I would highly recommend it, because if they're curious at any bit that they want to go into the medical field, then now's a great time and this is a great experience.
If you ever have any questions or concerns, just give me a call. You have my phone number, and you can shoot me an email.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
I think a lot of people say that they want to become a doctor just to help people, but I think it's a little more than that. I think it's that you have the responsibility of someone's life and someone's health in your hands. I think that's what it's all about.